Sakba, no fit catch me. I know, the God I'm serving.
Yeah, hello? Yes, it's MOP. Balance. 750,000 balance. This show. It be like I don't go do this show again. No,
Not be
do
to be
again.
that.
Please, I will call you back. Which kind of life be this? Show won't kill me. Everybody bring this.
MOP, right?
Yes, MOP. Who are you?
I'm Sandra. I work with Terra Culture Events. You need to pay up your balance of 1 million.
1 million naira balance. How much I don't even pay? See, I don't want to do this show again. One, I just balance me the one where I don't pay.
There's no refundable, so you have to pay so that MOP Nest of King must hold.
A few moments later.
That again.
MOP, I've been calling you now. You pick up my calls. What is it? Please, I beg. I don't know. Are you not interested in the light and sound again? You still have 1.5 million and we have bookings.
Light and sound for my show.
1.5 million, you have not deposit now. What's happening?
1.5 million. How much I don't pay before?
That is not be deposit, I beg. That one not be deposit now. You pay 500 times, you say.
Oh God, this show. I know sure I go even do this show again. Oh boy, I don't tire now. I beg later, my brother, later.
Oh, you're not more interested. I'm not even serious for life. You want this show. See where you do the stay safe.
Who much you coming?
Who much you now?
Yeah, I bet.
How much I go?
Where you go? Where you go now? About the travel now, who you be? I'm not in charge of your security for your show now. Tell all the security, now me you book. I don't call you, you know the pick up. You won't run, you won't travel. Waiting can happen now, waiting happen. Not be waiting happen, you can't pay complete for the security people. Even the passers, all of them don't the cheap. This is your show since the Nest of King, they need to be on ground. How much can remain? And I like the talk. You remain 500,000. 500,000 for security. My brother, see. Now for Terra Culture, they do my show for VI. Then they very peaceful. Everybody they come my show, then they peaceful. Now God the guy person. I don't need security for my show. Terra Culture, now you want to do your show. Now you talk like this. Let me say you not dey cultured.
No be this show. And this show now. Papa, this guy get this. Mama pay for this show. You will go give Nest of King. Or your call boy, you made them pay for the show.
When I go just kill me. Oh yeah, carry my bag.
Who not get here that they do Nest of King?
I not do again. I know they do show again.